Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix shadow ban on TikTok. So basically, you have to know what is a shadow ban. Okay, so just let me open this TikTok. I will pause this video. So basically, a shadow ban is like if you currently get a millions of views on a TikTok and you get like hundreds and thousands of views on TikTok typically, and for some reason recently you only getting 6,000, 10,000, 3,000, which is basically very low than what you was getting usually normally. So that is called a shadow ban, and basically no ever social media company will tell you that your account got shadow ban. Okay, so this could possibly mean that your shadow ban. So what this typically mean that if you know, if TikTok that you are doing a bunch of weird thing that they may shadow ban your account sometimes, this may think like TikTok may assume that you are a bot and you are just showing and uploading a lot of spam videos, lot of violence, pornography, nude videos that is against the community service or community guidelines of TikTok. So there's a, it is typically very weird stuff, so don't upload that kind of a video. And basically TikTok may just see your account whether it's real or false, or may shadow ban you from people seeing your stuffs now. Okay, so luckily for you this is a temporary thing. For most of the account has severely been shadow banned. This may that TikTok is probably going to back up in your account because you're posting a lot of stuff that going against the community guidelines. So I would recommend reading the guidelines to make sure you don't know, it is against if you are posting a lot of violence and a lot of kind of stuff sometime that is against the community guidelines, and it's probably best to either not post that. There may talk to someone from TikTok and saying, where your stuff is getting banned all the time. But a quick way, in a really easy way that I heard a lot of you people may know, that kind of the shadow ban is wait for around 14 days. And if you actually, it happens for 14 days, 14 or 15 days, and if your videos don't get usual views and likes what you was getting earlier, then you can think that your video has got shadow banned. And typically happens if your videos get shadow banned 5 times in a month or 4 times in a month, then it means that your account has got, shadow ban. So basically check your content. If any of the videos that you have uploaded against the community guidelines of TikTok, just remove it and delete it, and just wait for some days, some week, and after that your account will get automatically fixed. And even though if it doesn't get fixed, you can just click on three lines here and click on service and privacy and scroll it down, and you have to click on report a problem. And after that it will just take some time to open it up. And as you can see, it got open, and just click here whatever the issue that you are facing right now. Okay, so they will help, a human will contact you from TikTok customer service, and they will try to fix your issue. And this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.